Hello students. So today we are starting new chapter of GK, chapter number 41, melodious music. So choose the correct options. Options are given. So we have to select the right option. Saraswati, Rudra, and Vichitra are types of which string instrument. So these are Veena. Answer is Veena. Shubha Mudgal is a well-known singer of which form of new music? Hindustani classical, Carnatic and Western. So Hindustani classical. Which of these is the popular used in Carnatic music performances? Tabla, Ghattam and Sarod. So right option is Ghattam. Which musical instrument means waves of water? Tanpura, Jaltaran and Sarod. So right option is Jaltaran. Which of these television shows was hosted by Karan Thakkar in 2015? The Voice of India, the Saragama and Antaksari. So first is right option, the Voice of India. Which of these is a name given to a Ara fiddle, which is the earliest known board instruments and has commonly two or three strings too. So sitar, guitar, and rabab. So right answer is rabab. Which musical instrument is Lord Shiva most associated with? Damru, tabla, and bansuri. So right option is Damru. What is the name given to a long known metric improvisations with which a singer usually begins a performances? Alap, Khayal and Thumri. So right answer is Alap. Ustad Bismillah Khan was known to be an exponent of which musical instrument? Sarod, Shehnai and Sitar. So right option is Shehnai. Which of these means the sound of a single musical note? Shruti, Saura and Raga. So Saura. Right option is Saura. So students, this was the chapter related to melodious music. So I hope you have understood and you will take interest and prepare well. Next chapter is 42, Bollywood facts. So now Dilip Kumar and Shah Rukh Khan together share the record of receiving the maximum Filmfare Awards. So Dilip Kumar and Shah Rukh Khan together. Raj Kapoor was called the Charlie Chaplin of Indian film industry. You know, Raj Kapoor. Rajesh Khanna is known as the first superstar of Bollywood. Rajesh Khanna. Sole, despite the mega success, won only one film Fare Award. Now, you already know Sole was a famous Indian films, but she got only one Filmfare Award. Bhanu Aditya was the first Indian ever to win the prestigious Academy Award. Hrithik Roshan purchased 50 copies of the book How to Quit Smoking online and distributed among his friends. The word Bollywood now finds place in the Oxford Dictionary. Bollywood viewership and ranges between 3 million to 4 million, with more than half the population of the planet. Bollywood was born 11 years before Hollywood, while Bollywood released its first movie in 1899. Hollywood's first came in 1910. Amitabh Bachchan was initially named Inkla. It was only later that his father agreed to the name Amitabh. LOC Kargil gets the honor of being the longest movie ever, 4 hours 25 minutes. Indira Sabha 1932 claimed the title of the movie with most number of songs, 71, a record unmatched till date. So friends, this was the topic related to Bollywood facts. Next, it means cartoons are there, so we have to check them and we will give the name of the comics. So now these are the comic strips. First is Scooby Doo. So this pictures is related to the comics Scooby Doo. Next picture is related to Popeye, and third one is related to Coyote, and fourth is Pink Panther. Now fifth is Winnie the Pooh, and six is Tweety. Now seven is Sylvester, and eight is SpongeBob, and nine is Daffy Duck. So these are the names of the comics. Students, I hope you have understood. So prepare well, and now you know already your syllabus for midterm. First 30 chapters will be there, so you have to prepare them well for midterm. And now after some time our midterms exams are going on, and in this week I will take one test also. Thank you.